Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn our first minor chord. It's called an A minor. All the chords we've learned before have either been major chords or dominant sevenths. And they tend to sound more energetic, more happy, at least the major chords. The minor chords are more dramatic. They give a sense of sadness, melancholy, as opposed to the C. And especially with the ukulele, we're used to playing the happy chords. So this is a very easy chord. It uses one finger. So go ahead and finger your F chord. Okay, and then all you do is lift off that first finger, and that leaves you with the middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And the positioning is important because if you're sloppy with it, if you don't have your fingers curved, you won't hear especially that 3rd string. So you want to make sure that finger's nice and curved, it's coming straight down. So you can hear all 4 strings. And again, I'm strumming up here. I should be down here, but it's just easier for you to see when I'm videotaping. So let's go back and forth between the F chord and the A minor chord. So the easy shortcut, like I showed you, is just lifting that first finger on and off. So let's do the 8th note strum in 4/4 time. We'll do a measure of A minor and a measure of F, and then we'll repeat it. Okay, so remember, 8th note strum is just down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 A minor, 2, 3 and 4 F, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 A minor, 1 and 2 and 4 and. Next, let's try going from the A minor to the G7. Just keep in mind when you're at the A minor that middle finger is just going to drop from the 4th string to the 3rd string, and then you add fingers 1 and 2. Okay, so from there, drop the finger down and add fingers 1 and 2. Practice that a few times, and then we'll go ahead and do an exercise we're going to do in 4/4 time, a half quarter strum. We'll do a measure of A minor to measure of G7, and then we'll repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 G7. 1, 2, 3, 4 A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one we have to do is from C to A minor. And there's no real big shortcut, but keep in mind when before each chord change, the finger you have to move is free. So here from the C to go to the A minor, this finger is getting ready on count 3 or 4 to jump into place. And then again, going to the C, the 3rd finger is getting ready because it's free, and it jumps right in before count 1. So we're going to do 3/4 time. We're going to do the 8th note strum in 3/4 time, which we haven't done before. So it's going to be pretty much the same as what we did earlier with the 8th note strum, but just remember it's going to be a total of 3 counts. So it'll be 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and so it's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'll try this one with the pick this time, and it's going to be a measure of C, measure of A minor, and then repeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and switch. 1, 2 and 3 and switch. Down, up, down, up, down, up, switch. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so those are all the chord changes you're going to need to know for now. So just keep practicing those, and we'll do some songs in a video coming up soon. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.